Welcome back to the Tip of the Week. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Katie. I'm the marketing director for Sky Blue Media, and I've also been a realtor since 2018, licensed in North Carolina. Every week, I'm sharing a quick tip on mindset, strategy, and execution that you can immediately apply to marketing your business, specifically on social media. Today, we're going to break the ice on LinkedIn. It may not exactly be the most glamorous or trendy social media platform, but it should not be overlooked. As a network for professionals, it might not be your target audience for finding buyers or sellers with your content, but here are some ways LinkedIn can be leveraged to grow your business. Since most agents who are flashy on social media tend to ignore LinkedIn, you have opportunity to really stand out. Also, when you connect with someone who actively uses LinkedIn, you can create amazing referral pipelines with people in supporting industries that are more LinkedIn savvy than realtors. Think mortgage lenders, marketing agencies, etc. If your ideal client is a high-level executive, you can quickly make an impact with professional, well-written content and a formal strategy for outreach and follow-up communication. Now, before you go nuts reaching out to all those CEOs, let's make sure your presence is ready for all the new eyeballs you're about to attract to your content. Number 1, update your profile, including headshot and banner, as well as your headline. Make your headline clear about what you do and any expertise you have. Please make sure your work information is accurate, including current and previous experience and work locations. Many active LinkedIn users search for connections based on common work or education. The more thorough you are when you complete your profile, the more potential searches you can appear in. Number 2, as with all social platforms, the more content you post, the better. However, with LinkedIn, if you're not actively using it as a primary lead generation pillar, once a week is plenty. Focus on quality instead of quantity in this situation. LinkedIn also doesn't mind when you share content that links to an external site the way Facebook does. This is great news because when you share someone else's content, you can show your expertise by directing someone to something that you think they would find valuable. When you share a relevant article, just make sure to write a brief intro. We're talking 2 to 3 lines, sharing your unique perspective on the content and why you think others would benefit from it. Number 3, remember the purpose of LinkedIn. People generally don't come to LinkedIn's platform for entertainment and distraction. It is a much more intentional space than the Meta cluster and even YouTube. People want to grow professionally, so don't waste their time. Focus on providing real value to those you are hoping to connect with, and speak in terms of we, because LinkedIn is a collaborative space. This is actually in direct contrast to Meta, where Facebook is an I, me energy, and Instagram is a you energy. You want your presence and your content shared and original to benefit the professional collective and establish yourself as a leader and authority in your niche. Finally, spend some time, minimum 15 minutes a week, just simply responding to content in your network with thoughtful comments. This will go a really long way in building relationships. Let me know if you find this helpful in the comments, and if you have any questions, leave them there too. Thanks so much for listening to Tip of the Week. To make sure you never miss a tip, please subscribe to the weekly newsletter at skyblue.media/marketing. If you found this episode helpful, please take 1 minute and share it with a friend. Better yet, take a screenshot and share it to your Instagram story and tag us at Sky Blue Media Tours. And finally, if you would like one-on-one help with optimizing your digital marketing for your business, send a direct message with the word marketing to Sky Blue Media Tours on Instagram or Sky Blue Media on Facebook. Can't wait to chat. See you next week.